Discover the 12710 series brass ball valve, engineered for reliability in HVAC and plumbing applications. This threaded male flare-by-flare valve features a built-in mounting connection for electrical actuators, making it ideal for automated or high-performance systems. Designed to handle hot and cold water, compressed air, oils, hydrocarbons, and other non-aggressive fluids, the 12710 series delivers dependable flow control when it matters most. With a temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, a working pressure of 360 psi and 45-degree ends, sized at 5/8 inch by 5/8 inch, this valve provides durability and precision across a wide range of installations. Find more info at EnolgasUSA.com or scan the QR code to browse our catalog.